when you say you are doing African party, you have to have more than enough meat. Like you have to have reserve meat, reserve meat, and another backup meat. Because in African party, the way meats will be flying, you will see foods and there will be no meat. So I don't want to be in that space. So that's why I came out to get some extra meat for backup. Shout out to all the vegetarians out there. Shout out to you. Hi, it's a beautiful, yeah, it's so beautiful. It's the third Saturday before my, no, third Saturday before my birthday. That's after today, next week Saturday, then the following Saturday will be my birthday. So setting out to go get some stuff in preparation of the birthday. We are going to go to a storehouse, very big storehouse, to get the rice, so many things that we will need for the day. And then afterwards we are going to be driving to the meat store. So we are going to be buying, we are going to be going to the butcher. Yes, it's called the butcher, to go and buy the meat. Yes, because in African party there's going to be lots of meats now, fish. So in Switzerland, the way I'm doing it, I have some ladies, some beautiful women cooking for me, you know, and I just thought to vlog this moment, to record it. Mega shout out to everyone that will be cooking for me and playing one role or the other. You are massively loved. So come with me, fam, let's go get some meat. I'll be showing you a little bit of what my area looks like. Yeah, let's go and buy. I think if you've watched my video before now, I think last year or 2 years ago, I showed the store that we are going to. It's not even a store, it's a warehouse. So it's like a warehouse and you get your stuff there for the wholesale prices. So since there is a party coming up, we're buying things in wholesales. Yes, so thank you guys, come with me as we go. You're welcome. Please, as you join this video, make sure you remember to like the video. Thank you for those that keep coming back. You are loved and appreciated. Yes, we are going with the family, you know. Now I don't ride alone, I ride with my ganging. So you're welcome. We've got into the big store. I got into the big store where we will buy the rice, the maize, and what have you. Come with me, let's go. This is Bulak. So we got to the meat store. Normally the meat store opens Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we came on a Saturday. So somehow most of the meats were gone. I think before now there's usually crowd on Saturdays, so a lot of people have mastered the act of coming on a Thursday and Friday. But I came on a Saturday, and luckily I still got some good percentage of meat. So I got some meat. I bought the shoulder part of the meat, like the two shoulders. It was a lot of meat. I bought meat over 500 Swiss francs, which is about $500 over that. And there's still going to be fish. So this is what our car looks like at the end of the day. Remember, we went to the other shop before, and then the meat store. Our boot was filled to the beam. We wanted to stop by to buy the fishes, but there was no space at all anymore. See, here we are trying to just even find spaces to shocking things. Yes, and in this meat store they sell fresh eggs also, but I actually got the egg as free. Yeah, if you buy a lot of things, they still give you something like a gift. So I got the crate of egg for free. And I'm so tired. It's been a day. It's been a busy day. But I'm thankful that I started planning early. And imagine if I had to come and buy the meat like 3 days before my party. Because I'm doing the meat myself. Yes, I'm doing, like, not the meat myself now. I'm doing some meat myself, like a good percentage of the meat. Then there's still going to be meat, and this meat I'm doing is just like for backup. There's still going to be meat in the stew, the stove, and all that. Instead of driving home, we had to stop at McDonald's because we're already hungry. Like, and I cannot get home and start trying to figure out how to sort out the meat into the freezer, what to do with what, and start cooking. The kids were hungry, I was hungry, so we just decided to stop at McDonald's, and I was also going to meet somebody up. So we say, I beg, let's chop. Oh, even though we are preparing for 40th party, we have to still eat a bit. So here we are as the family just eating. May God bless my family, because I just have a way of dragging them into everything I do. And yeah, I'm already at home. Took out the meat from the bags, from the car, and the rest is history. Yes, the rest is history, boiling, frying, and all that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it and drop me a comment. It's the Esther's Chronicles video vlogs preparation. I love you all. See you in my next video. Peace out.